Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you just 1 or 2 drops of this natural remedy is going to do on your skin. Like, I'm going to show you because it is really good. Like, when you use this before bed every day for 2 weeks, you are going to see a whole lot of improvement, a whole lot of stuff going on, positive stuff going on your skin, and you're going to be loving it. Like, the lactic acid in it, it's so high and it's just going to do wonders. So let's dive into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. The first ingredients we're going to be needing is going to be rosemary. Now, the nutrients of rosemary can help protect skin cells from damage, often caused by the sun and free radicals. Since rosemary has natural antiseptic property, it's a superior disinfectant for our skin and hair. This essential oil is known to promote a healthy, moisturized skin. And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be starch. Now, you can actually use cornstarch. Now, this actually helps to firm up and tighten up your skin. It helps to leave your skin glowing, and it also helps to remove large and open pores. It helps to facilitate the healing process of an aging skin, and it also helps to lighten up the skin. We're going to be making use of milk. Now, milk contains the lactic acid that helps to develop new skin cells on the skin. It helps to prevent signs of aging. It also helps to remove pigmentations, and it's a great remedy that helps to moisturize the skin and keep the skin moisturized all day long. And then we're going to be making use of olive oil. Now, olive oil is an antioxidant remedy that helps to prevent premature signs of aging, and it's a great antibacterial property. It helps to exfoliate the skin. It's a great face mask for removing wrinkles and as well as fine lines. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to take in 1 tablespoon of starch into this. And then we're going to be pouring in warm water into the starch. Then we're going to stir it, okay? We're also going to be putting into the starch some pinch of rosemary. Then we would have to stir it. So we'll have to be keeping this for like 2 hours for it to induce together. Now, after 2 hours, you would have to stir it again. And now we would have to sieve it. So I'll be putting it in another bowl, and then I'll be sieving the starch plus the rosemary out. So here is a sieved starch and rosemary. So what we're gonna do is to put in ½ teaspoon of olive oil, and then we're going to be putting 1 tablespoon of milk. Now your milk has to be creamy and very thick. Okay. Now we'll be needing a container like this, and then we'll have to turn this whole mix into it. So I'm going to cover it up, and this is the main cover. So this is it. Oh, the color on my nail polish is actually the same. It's so beautiful. Alright guys, so this is it. 1 or 2 drops of this every morning and every evening is going to do a whole lot of difference. Okay, so now after mixing this all up, you would have to refrigerate it because of course it's starch, and you have to put in enough water so that the starch does not go very thick, and the rosemary has to like induce or diffuse in it, okay? And whenever you want to use it, you would have to shake it. The consistency has to be something that you would have to shake, and then you open it and then you put a drop, and a drop. Okay, now after you've actually put those drops, well, you have to put enough for it to go around your face though. The milk in it would help do the job, guys. And it smells really great. You have to drop enough for it to go around your face. Okay, so alright guys, so after that you would have to leave it on your face for like 10 to 20 minutes. This is it. You would have to refrigerate this, okay? Whenever you want to use it, you will bring it out and shake it really well so that all of the ingredients would encompass in it and mix very well. Okay, so what you do is that you apply it just like I applied. Leave it for it to dry, and then you wash it. Now you'll notice that when it dries, because of the starch and the rosemary in it, your face is going to get tighter. Although you're still going to have a little bit of oil because of the olive oil, but of course it's going to get dry. Okay. Then you wash it off with normal water. Now when you wash it off, guys, you're going to see how your skin is going to be. You know when you actually use your bare hands to wash your clothes and all of the oil on your hands dry off, you know how it used to sound. That's how your skin is going to sound. All right, and then you would have to go use an oil. All right, use a moisturizing oil. Use a very friendly oil. Don't use oil that would just reverse what you've just done. So you apply this for 2 weeks, and man, your skin is going to be like that of a baby's skin. So basically that's it, guys. All right, you can actually just pour this all over your skin, all over your body and all of that, you know, just massage it and you are going to be loving it. It's just going to glow and smoothen up your skin. Now the thing is that those natural homemade remedies are really nice, okay? So you do not need to neglect it and be like, oh no, she's just fixing concoction. Yeah, the concoction works really well. So if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you. Bye guys.